I came in and I was blindsided by the fact that I had a new charge and was like sitting in the wrong place and nervous. This was a breeze.
What's up? If you've been following my channel, you already know I've talked about Johnny Somali before, how he built his reputation on being disrespectful, stirring up controversy, and getting punched in public. But now things just got more serious.
And the only reason I'm ready to start going live again, because honestly I have no fear. Like that's really, these people are clout chasing off my name so badly. Because from Pakistan saying I arrived late and hungover. Okay, they're not lying about that part. I'll give you that. I was late to the court by like an hour. I was hungover. I'm gonna be honest about that.
He's facing legal charges in South Korea, and if convicted, he could actually serve time. No more just getting banned or fined. This time, he might just not be able to pack up and leave. Let's break down the charges, possible consequences, and whether he should actually go to prison.
It wasn't really that big of a deal. It wasn't really that big of a deal. You know, I showed up drunk. I showed up happy. Like, the charges that they have me put on, the charges that they have me for are such minor, minuscule charges. It's obstruction of, like, bro, spilling a cup of noodles.
On November 11, 2024, Johnny Somali was officially indicted by the Seoul Southern District Prosecutor's Office on charges of obstruction of business. Back in September 2023, he live streamed himself harassing employees at a convenience store in Seoul. He was being loud, disruptive, and wouldn't leave even when asked. This kind of behavior isn't just annoying, it's illegal under South Korea's obstruction of business law, which makes it a crime to interfere with somebody's ability to do their job. But that's not all. Authorities also banned him from leaving South Korea, meaning he's stuck there until the trial is over. And just recently, his court date was delayed to March 7, 2025, which means he's in legal limbo for at least a few more weeks.
Carrying a fish. Refresh. Let me know if I'm live, guys. I don't know if I'm live. Check if I'm live. But they got me for, like, spilling a cup of noodles. They got me for carrying a stinky fucking fish. They got me for some bro. Like, this, you can't go to jail for that in any country. But the reason I've been quiet is I didn't want to really feed the trolls. I didn't really want to feed, like, this energy of just lying and making up bullshit about me.
So let's talk about consequences. In South Korea, obstruction of business is not a minor offense. It carries a maximum sentence of 5 years in prison or a fine of up to 15 million won, which is around like 11,000 US dollars. Now, realistically, will he get the full 5 years? Probably not. But South Korea doesn't take foreign offenders lightly, especially when their actions spark public outrage. Given Johnny Somali's history of public disturbances, a judge might want to make an example out of him.
I know for a fact I'm not gonna go to jail. Not one day in jail, but I have the footage of me and Hank leaving the court laughing our asses off. Like, bro, we're not taking this serious.
Some legal experts believe he could serve a few months in jail or get deported after paying a hefty fine. Either way, this is the biggest legal trouble he's faced yet, and he might not be able to troll his way out of this one. Now, let's talk about the big question. Will South Korea deport him?
Johnny Somali will be locking in with Party.com. We got the deals in the works, man. Shout out the creator. Shout out B. And yes, I will be back doing IRL streaming on Party.com. Shit is gonna get spicy. It's time for a redemption arc, a Johnny Somali redemption arc. I'm gonna try to become a better man, be a better me, and we're gonna make sure that we can make some fire ass content here while I'm still in Korea.
If he's convicted, there's a good chance he'll be immediately deported after serving his sentence. South Korea has strict immigration laws, and foreigners who commit crimes are often kicked out and banned from re-entry. Even if he doesn't get jail time, just being charged with a crime can be enough to get someone deported. And considering how much negative attention he's brought to himself, immigration authorities might not hesitate to send him packing, pretty much.
God damn, I just threw up everywhere. I just threw up. That's how you know I'm not scamming. I'm not scamming. That's how you know I'm not scamming. I never scammed you, right?
So, Johnny Somali is currently out on bail, but his legal troubles aren't going away. His court date is set for March 7, 2025. He's banned from leaving South Korea, and if convicted, he could face jail time, a fine, or immediate deportation. If he somehow dodges serious punishment, it'll be because his legal team managed to convince the judge that his actions weren't severe enough for jail. But given how much outrage he has caused in South Korea, he shouldn't expect mercy.
Without me, I'm going to be fully suited and booted out with the MAGA hat. I'm going to have the full suit on. I'm going to give you guys the before, the during, the after of the trial. the whole trial that millions of people have been speaking about all over Twitter and all over YouTube and all over X. You're going to get the exclusive here, and I'm going to continue to go live here.
So what do you guys think? Should Johnny Somali serve time in Korea or just be deported? Do you think this will finally stop his antiques, or will he just move to another country and keep doing the same thing? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next one.